Hey Lane's Barbecue family, Dan here. Today is all about sweet and sour pork ribs. Stay tuned. So what we want to do, guys, is we actually want to rub our pork ribs with sweet and sour pepper. Going to take the membranes off this, rub it, put them on the smoker. Then we're going to warm up a sauce, which will be a sweet and sour inspired sauce, which will be kind of sweet. You'll have a little bit of ketchup in there, sugar, vinegar, and pineapple juice. This one's a ripper of a recipe. You're going to love it.
So what we have here is a couple of racks of pork ribs. Now what I like to do is just trim off the skirt and any hard fat that's on the back and the front of these ribs. Now what I like to do also is just square these up just for even cooking. Now it's time to remove the membrane off the back of these ribs. Now what I like to do is just get a knife and put it underneath the actual ribs themselves, grab a piece of paper and just rip them off. Now usually they come off in one short motion, but for the sake of this video they didn't work, so a couple of tries and we ended up getting there in the end. Now it's time to get seasoning. Now today we're using our sweet and sour pepper for these ribs, and we're adding a generous coating to both sides of each rib. Now once you've got an even coating, we're going to let this sit out for about 5 to 10 minutes, just while we warm up the smoker and it comes up to temperature. Our smoker's up to temperature. We're running these today at 250 degrees with just a neutral smoking wood, which is ironbark pellets.
Alright guys, so the ribs are now cooking away on the pit. Now today, as you know, we're actually cooking on the Traeger again, the 885 ironwood. And because we've rubbed with our sweet and sour pepper rub, we're actually going to make up a quick sauce. So using equal parts ketchup, kind of sweet barbecue sauce, our kind of sweet barbecue sauce, pineapple juice, and a little splash of vinegar with some sugar. Now what that does is actually creates a really nice, sweet, tangy sauce that we want to glaze our ribs with. Now we're going to serve that on a bed of rice and actually add in a little bit of spring onions just on top, just for a garnish finish, a nice color, and we're going to get stuck in. These are going to be incredible.
Now once you're happy with the color of the ribs and the rub is not falling off them, it's time to get wrapping to make sure these are tender. So I've put down in some foil, some brown sugar, butter, and what we'll do is place the ribs straight on top, wrap these back up and throw them straight on the smoker.
So what we're going to do, guys, is just do a quick sauce, which is our sweet and sour sauce. So I've got some ketchup here. Going to put a bit of ketchup in. Bit of kind of sweet, so equal parts. pineapple juice. And a touch of vinegar. And just give this a quick stir. And what we might do as well, adding a touch of our rub for that little tang. We'll get to glazing.
Now, as you can see, these ribs have taken on a really gorgeous colour. Now what I want to do is just make sure that that sauce is a touch warm, and we're just going to brush it gently just so there's an even layer on each rib. To get as much sweet and sour pepper flavour into these ribs, we're actually just going to add a touch more of the rub on top and throw these straight back on the smoker.
Alright guys, these ribs are done. So we'll slice these up, put them over a bed of rice with some spring onions. Alright, let's give one of these a try. Looks awesome. Oh man. Juicy, nice tang, get a good saltiness from the rub. This is a home run. Give this one a try, guys. You're gonna love it. Well, that's it for another recipe video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We really hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please feel free to like and subscribe to our channel. It really does mean the world to us, and it reassures us that we're onto a really good thing here. If you haven't tried these products, please feel free to do so at lanesbbq.com.au. That's lanesbbq.com.au. Now, if you have tried the products, please hit the review button and let us know what you actually think. We would love to hear your feedback. If you have any feedback on this video, comment down below in the YouTube comments. Like us on Facebook and Instagram. Please interact with us. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, guys, thank you so much and have a fantastic day. Keep queuing. Cheers.